Good evening, Bobini. Welcome to the House of Aston. It is my sincere pleasure to welcome you to the grand opening and ribbon cutting ceremony of the St. Regis Aruba Resort. My name is Dr. Baker. I'm the Director of Human Resources, and I'm truly delighted to be here today to mark this very special occasion. With heartfelt gratitude, we welcome our esteemed dignitaries, our visionary ownership group, Caledonia Properties and Beam, our valued Marriott International leaders, respected guests, and to each of you joining us on this remarkable evening. Allow me to recognize our honorable guests. His Excellency, Mr. Dangi Odubat, the Minister of Public Health and Tourism, His Excellency, Mr. Geoffrey Waver, the Minister of Economic Affairs, Communication and Sustainable Development, distinguished ministers and fellow members of Parliament, Mrs. Elisa Stipa and Mrs. Roberta Ferrari from Caledonia Properties and Beam. From Marriott International, we welcome Mr. Brian King, President, Enterprise Transformation in Caribbean and Latin America, Mr. David Marriott, Chairman of the Board, respected industry leaders and local authorities. It is my sincere pleasure to welcome you. Your presence honors us greatly. Before we begin, I would like to take a moment to reflect on the meaning of this iconic celebration for Aruba and the legacy that has kept the timeless St. Regis brand alive. From 1904, the vision of the finest establishment, enriched with captivating rituals that mesmerized the minds of all guests and offered bespoke experiences, began to take shape. John Jacob Astor IV was a visionary who saw that stepping outside of the box would allow for experiences that would transcend beyond the normal and transition into extraordinary. With these ideals, a phoenix rose from the ashes on the avenue of 50th in New York City, where the St. Regis was born. Now we look into the 21st century and see those same ideals and ideas have developed into over 60 St. Regis hotels and resorts worldwide. And a brand that was once an idea became the House of Astor. And as we stand here now, a few years since the inception of this building, where many merged their creative vision to build what would become the St. Regis Aruba Resort, we now can say that we have arrived. Allow me to welcome the St. Regis Aruba Resort General Manager, Mr. Oliver Rischreider, to share his appreciation.
Good evening. Good evening, esteemed guests. It's an honor to welcome you to the debut of the St. Regis Aruba Resort. This highly anticipated moment brings immense joy, and I'm privileged to stand before you as the resort's general manager. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to many individuals who made this opening possible. Our visionary ownership group, Caledonia Properties NV, Marriott International, the government of Aruba, the architects of Hirsch and Bednar, the developers, our industry partners, and our St. Regis hosts. Your support and unwavering dedication have brought this vision to life. To the Marriott family, who contributed their remarkable talents during our countdown and training period, and to the people of Aruba, thank you. Und danke dir für das Song. I cannot think of a more extraordinary destination for the St. Regis brand to embark upon especially as we celebrate 120 years of brand. It is an honor to serve as the general manager of this beautiful resort and lead our talented team of hosts in delivering the Live Exquisite promise of St. Regis. Together, we aim to transcend the ordinary in every way and create extraordinary experiences for all our guests and visitors. Nested in this iconic location, blessed by the wonder in nature and the warmth of Aruba, the St. Regis Aruba Resort reflects the allure of Aruba and the rich heritage of the St. Regis brand. Serving as an exquisite haven in paradise, guests will delight in elegant accommodations, bespoke experiences, including our signature St. Regis butler service. Savor exceptional cuisine in our dining venues, rejuvenate at our luxury spa, and elevate their evenings at the first ever St. Regis Casino. Signature rituals, a hallmark of the St. Regis experience, have been thoughtfully reimagined to reflect the spirit of Aruba. These moments not only honor our heritage, but also create deep connections for our guests. While the resort's stunning design and amenities are remarkable, it is our exceptional hosts who bring the St. Regis spirit to life, making the everyday truly exquisite. Thank you, Masha Danke, muchas gracias, for being part of this historic moment. The grand opening of the St. Regis Aruba Resort marks an exciting new chapter and a celebration of this beautiful island. Before I introduce our Marriott International leaders, I would like to take a moment to recognize the presence of Ms. Brenda Duran, Chief Legal Counsel, Caribbean and Latin America, and Mr. Stephen Redford, Area General Managers, whose contributions have been instrumental to the success of this project. Allow me, it is my honor to invite Mr. Brian Keane to share a few words.
Thank you. This is a tremendous experience to be here with all of you in this lovely, happy island. I love it. It makes me happy. So it is an honor, a true honor, to help open the beautiful St. Regis Resort in Aruba. I know this has been a labor of love and passion, and a labor of care to bring the exquisite, this luxury hotel to the island. Allow me to thank several of our guests. Most importantly to our owners, Walter Sipa and his vision and their care to bring this beautiful, beautiful. Again, and thank you to all of our government officials for all of their support. This is not possible without you thinking ahead with us and with the Sipa family to build this beautiful hotel on this beautiful island. Obviously, we want to thank Oliver for everything that he's done to bring an amazing team and open this hotel, and again to Steve and Brenda for all of their work. You know, Aruba has long been a sought-after destination for travelers around the world, and the legendary St. Regis service, living exquisitely, is the perfect pairing between this beautiful island, this beautiful culture, and this beautiful location. I also want to take a moment to tell you that the St. Regis brand is one of Marriott's 30 brands, but it sits in a very special place with our luxury collection of 7 luxury brands throughout the world, almost 500 hotels in our program. In addition, St. Regis is part of the worldwide Marriott Bonvoy loyalty program, with over 250 million members that we can reach to directly to market and sell this hotel. And so for those of you who are new to the St. Regis brand, it all began with the Astor family in 1904. It was the heart of elegance, and it still is in New York, and it's been the center of exquisite care and social society in New York for over 100 years. The hotel has been a hallmark in Manhattan, and it created, if you don't know this, the Bloody Mary was created at the King Cole Bar in New York City in the St. Regis. The brand is now leaving the island of Manhattan and has arrived at the island of Aruba. I love that. It's very exciting. On behalf of Marriott International, I'm extremely proud to see the living legacy of the House of Astor come to Aruba and expand the St. Regis presence here in a destination that travelers seek day in and day out. Here's to new promises, new experiences, and to all of our hosts who will be making the exquisite come to life every day. Again, thank you so much for joining us. It is truly my honor to be here with all of you. It's been a privilege. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Brian. Now, let's extend our warmest welcome to Mr. David Marriott to say a few words. David.
Thank you, Oliver, and thank you, Brian, for those remarks. It's wonderful to be with all of you here at the St. Regis Aruba, and thank you for such a warm welcome. I'll try to be brief so that these two can get a break from their arms. But I would also like to thank Walter and Elisa and the Stipa family for all that they have done to make this hotel a reality. Your leadership and commitment to this project mean a great deal. Walter and his family have been amazing partners for 25 years to Marriott International. And it's been a joy for me to personally get to know Walter and his family over the last few years at amazing events around the world, whether it's the World Cup or Formula One in Mexico City. But we value their relationship and their commitment to luxury and commitment to building a terrific product. Today, your dreams and vision have become a reality, and it's my pleasure to celebrate with you the beautiful opening of this resort. My family, my wife Carrie, and my two oldest boys, Andrew and Jack, came to Aruba for a visit in 2006. We were staying at the Marriott, and we also went to the Renaissance. We were here celebrating our sales individuals who had achieved excellent honors that year at our Chairman's Circle celebration. But while my kids and I were playing on the beach, my youngest son, Jack, at the time, who was 2 years old, stepped on something. And he thought he had stepped on a jellyfish. He was crying and complaining about it stinging. And somebody told us that if you pee on a jellyfish wound, it makes it feel better. So his big brother came to his rescue and volunteered to pee on his brother's foot. And I'm not sure if it actually brought relief to the foot or if it got his younger brother's mind off of it, but he couldn't stop laughing for hours after that, and it's still a family favorite story that we tell to this day. And I thought about, wow, if anyone gets hurt in the future, just have Andrew put on them, they'll laugh and it'll be all better. But we made that great memory here in Aruba, and I was looking out of that part of the beach last night with a smile on my face as the sun was about to go down, and I called my wife, and we relived a beautiful memory that we made here in Aruba. But it is great to be back and to be with all of you. My dad attended the 2013 opening of the Ritz-Carlton in Aruba, another one of Walter's fantastic hotels. And he spoke about the extraordinary people of the island, how the hotel was creating new jobs and elevating Aruba as a top-tier luxury destination in the region. His words resonate just as strongly today as they did then. And Walter, he sends his best to you and your family and wishes he could be here. One of the greatest joys of the hospitality business is the people. This afternoon, I had the pleasure of meeting many of our hosts who are bringing the hotel to life through their dedication to hospitality, service excellence, and the St. Regis brand. The St. Regis brand recently celebrated its 120th anniversary, as you heard, of delivering timeless, luxury, and exceptional service for guests around the globe. We are embarking on a new chapter with the debut of this iconic St. Regis brand on this renowned beach. This resort joins 6 other Marriott hotels on the island and our broader portfolio of nearly 9,100 hotels in 142 countries and territories around the globe. Our portfolio has grown exponentially since my grandparents founded the company in 1927 by opening a 9-seat root beer stand in Washington, D.C. They would never have imagined we would have presence around the globe that we have today. But we are guided today by the same core values that were established back in 1927 when my grandparents said, if you take good care of your associates, they'll take good care of the customer, and the customer will come back again and again. Those core values are putting people first, pursuing excellence, embracing change, acting with integrity, and serving our world. We are dedicated to living these core values, setting new standards in hospitality, and delivering luxury experiences that create memories of a lifetime for our guests, and this hotel is a perfect example. As I reflect on the openings of so many hotels around the globe, I look at each one as an opportunity for our hosts, an opportunity for our guests, an opportunity for our owners, an opportunity for shareholders, and opportunities for Marriott International. And it's so exciting to be a part of these new beginnings each time we celebrate the opening of a new hotel. So thank you again to Oliver. I wish you and the team the best of luck. Thank you to all of your hosts at the St. Regis Aruba. And I wish you all the best in your journey. And thank you to all of you for joining us here today as we mark the commencement of an extraordinary journey here at the St. Regis Aruba Resort. Thank you.
Now I would like to extend the invite to Ms. Elisa Stieper, Director of Caledonia Properties. Ms. Elisa.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to the opening of the St. Regis Aruba Resort. What a great occasion it is to stand before you today on this beautiful day as we officially mark the opening of this remarkable project. First and foremost, I want to express my gratitude to each and every one of you for joining us on this special day. Your presence here reflects the shared commitment that has brought us to this moment. I am humbled and delighted to see so many familiar faces and new friends who have contributed to this project. I would like to take a moment to thank a group of people who provided their remarkable support throughout this journey. I want to express gratitude to all government officials who have played a critical role in making today possible. Our sincere appreciation to AWEMainta and lenders for their financial support. We thank the shareholders of Odelco who believed in this development, and this would not have been possible without their commitment and trust. Our sincerest thank you to Marriott International for all the years of partnership and for making this project a reality. And a heartfelt thank you to our construction team and contractors who worked non-stop through many challenges to achieve the opening. 18 years ago, when we first set foot on the island, we were captivated by its beauty and potential. We saw not just a location, but a paradise waiting to be celebrated. Since that day, our promises to this community and to Aruba have renewed, and I am proud to say that the island has aligned its efforts with us. Today, we embark on the journey of the St. Regis Aruba Resort, a beacon of luxury that will set new standards for hospitality. The St. Regis brand is synonymous with opulence and sophistication, and with it comes a commitment to high standards and an unwavering dedication to elevating the overall quality. Together with the people of Aruba, we aim to create a haven of luxury for luxury tourism that will showcase the best of this magnificent destination. As we look back to our past achievements, we take pride in keeping our promises. This opening ceremony marks not just the opening of a unique resort, but the beginning of a positive impact on this island. Thank you, and may this opening ceremony be the start of a remarkable chapter in the history of Aruba.
Thank you, Ms. Elisa, for the kind words.
Thank you. Allow me now to welcome, to share a few words, His Excellency, Mr. Danny Oliveri.
ladies and gentlemen, Montagne. It is both an honor and privilege to stand before you today on this occasion, making the official opening of the St. Regis Hotel Aruba. As a Minister of Tourism, I am confident to say that this is a proud and important milestone for our island. The addition of a distinguished brand like St. Regis not only elevates Aruba's tourism product, but also reinforces our position as a premier destination for the African traveler. Allow me to reflect for a moment on the journey that brought us here. Back in 2004, my father took the bold initiative to approach Mr. Marriott with a vision to bring the Ritz-Carlton to Aruba. What followed was a journey of dedication and determination. Thanks to the courage and investment of Mr. Walter Stipa and Marriott Corporation, the Ritz-Carlton became a reality, transforming our tourism landscape. Today, it stands as a testament to the power of vision and collaboration, benefiting its owners, operators, employees, and of course, our island. Building on that success, we continue to dream big. It has always been our vision to focus on attracting high-value visitors to Aruba. Adding a brand as iconic as St. Regis is a natural extension of this strategy, raising the bar for luxury hospitality on the island. This project has been years in the making. In 2018, our government signed an MOU to explore the possibilities of bringing St. Regis to Aruba. Today, just 6 years later, we stand here to celebrate the realization of the vision, a remarkable addition to our island's hospitality portfolio. On behalf of the government of Aruba, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to all who made this possible. To Mr. Walter Stipa for his unwavering belief in Aruba's potential. To the Marriott family for their trust and commitment to our island. To the employees who will bring this vision to life every day. And to everyone who worked tirelessly to bring St. Regis Hotel to completion. This moment is not just the opening of a hotel. It is a celebration of progress, partnership, and shared aspirations. Together, we continue to build a future where Aruba remains a shining beacon of hospitality, luxury, and natural beauty. Thank you, and welcome to St. Regis Hotel Aruba, a new jewel on our island's crown. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Danny Odebert. We'll take a short pause, a short recess, and we will start right away. Please take one champagne glass while we continue. and Mrs. Roberta Ferrari, Mr. Brian King, Mr. David Marriott, and Mr. Oliver Richrider. As we transition into the celebration, it is my pleasure to introduce one of the most enduring traditions of St. Regis Hotels and Resorts, the evening ritual and the art of sabrage. It is a moment to observe the transition from day to evening when the light begins to set, and with a glass in hand, we toast the day. Champagne, of course, is a beverage for all occasions. Napoleon Bonaparte once famously said, "In victory, one's deserve it. In defeat, one needs it." The notorious French general and his legions transformed this fine art of sabrage into a time-honored tradition. Please join our St. Regis butler on the count of 3 as we officially celebrate the opening of the St. Regis Aruba Resort. We warmly welcome you to the House of Astor. 1, 2, 3. Please join us as we raise our glasses and toast to a future filled with exquisite moments here at the St. Regis Aruba Resort, the house of celebration. Cheers!